Hi, my dear student. Let's continue our chapter. So we are in chapter number 2 from chemistry, right? Acid, base, and salt. Last class so far we have done properties of acid. Okay. So today what we'll discuss? Just write down what do all acids have in common? Have in common. Or in other words, what is there in all the acid, okay, to behave as a acid? What is there due to which it behaves the acid, whatever compounds, okay, or whatever mixture? So write down all acid contains hydrogen. Okay, all acids contains hydrogen. So these are the acid. HCl, hydrogen is there. H2SO4, hydrogen is there. CH3COOH, hydrogen is there, isn't it? So this is your ethanoic acid or methanoic acid. Clear? So all acid have common as hydrogen, isn't it? So write down which is positively charged. Whenever you dissolve this in water, if you dissolve in this HCl in water, then it forms H plus ion. Okay, clear? Write this equation. Okay, H plus aqueous and Cl minus. It forms this ion whenever you dissolve the acid in water. Okay, right. So further, it won't stay at is this one. Okay, so what it does plus H2O, so you'll get H3O plus. So this is called hydronium ion. New topic. This is H3O plus is your hydronium ion. Clear? So all acid contains hydrogen, right? So now you can define the you can make or redefine the definition of acid. So write down an acid is a substance which what they dissociate, isn't it? They breaks down into, isn't it? So write down an acid is a substance, and acids is a substance which dissociate, okay, which dissociate or ionize on dissolving in water, produce hydrogen ions. Okay, hydrogen ions. So that is H plus. So new definition of acid is those substances which dissociate or break down into different ion as hydrogen and chlorine. Okay, and this is your when acid dissolve in water. This is the new definition of acid. So all acid have hydrogen as common element. Clear? So next write down again. Next question comes: does all the substance containing hydrogen is a acid? No. भन्नुको मतलब सबै कम्पाउन्डमा हाइड्रोजन भएको सबै तिम्रो एसिड हो हुँदैन. नो. त्यसलाई एन्सर के हुन्छ? नो. लिउ एउटा एक्जाम. लेट अस टेक वान एक्जाम्पल. ग्लुकोज. ग्लुकोजमा के हुन्छ? C6H12O6, isn't it? C6H12O6 ग्लुकोज. नेक्स्ट अल्कोहल CH3OH. यो दुईटामा के छ? हाइड्रोजन छ, तर यो चाहिँ के होइन? एसिड होइन. हाइड्रोजन हुने बित्तिकै अघि भन्दै थियो एसिड हुन्छ भनेर, तर सबै हाइड्रोजन हुने कम्पाउन्डलाई चाहिँ एसिड भन्नु सक्दैन हो कि. we cannot say. Why? Because it does not ionize. It does not ionize when dissolved in water. पानीमा हाल्दा यो आयोन बनिँदैन यसको हो कि. कुरा बुझ्नु. अल्कोहलको पनि बनिँदैन हो कि. सो तिम्रो बुकमा पेज नम्बर हेरेर तिम्रो त्यहाँनिर छ एक्सपेरिमेन्ट हो कि. ब्याट्री लाग्छ, करेन्ट पास भएको छ कि छैन हेर्नु. ओके. सो द्याट इज योर what do all acid have in common? That is hydrogen. But all the compound having hydrogen atom or hydrogen element is not a acid. Why? Because it does not ionize. Clear? So next, acid do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water. See, if I have HCl as a acid, then if you take as it is, then it won't show acidic behavior. So to show acidic behavior of an acid, you have to dissolve in water. Okay. Whenever you dissolve in water, then only it will show the behavior of acid. So H plus Cl minus, so it will not remain as it is. So H3O plus Cl. Clear? So acid powder लिएर हुँदैन. ओके. एसिड चाहिँ के हुनु पर्यो? डिजल्भ इन वाटर हुनुपर्छ. नेक्स्ट, स्ट्रङ एसिड, विक एसिड, यु नो. सो लेट्स गो टु द युज अफ मिनरल एसिड. ओके. एन्ड दिस organic acids are eatable, isn't it? We used to eat. So organic acid like citric acid, tartaric acid, we used to eat or we used to have, isn't it? So next, write on use of mineral acid. Use of organic acid in your food, isn't it? So it has a vitamin and this and that is there. So vitamin C. Okay, those are the use of organic acid. But important is your use of mineral acid. So what are mineral acid? First one is your sulfuric acid, H2SO4. sulfuric acid. So where do you use this one? So write down. It is used in manufacturing or manufacture of fertilizer. So first use of sulfuric acid is manufacturing fertilizer. Right. Second use of this is paint, isn't it? Paint ma pani huncha. Paints, dyes. Okay. एक मार्क्स को आउने गर्छ, so you should remember. Plastics. Okay, in lab also we use this sulfuric acid. So next mineral acid is your nitric acid. So write down nitric acid. Nitric acid. So NH3OH. This is your nitric acid. Sorry, nitric acid is, let's see, nitric acid is used in dyes. No, nitric acid is used, okay, write down use of nitric acid making same fertilizer and explosive, right? Explosive. So nitric acid is used in explosive. Explosive means bomb, isn't it? So like TNT, okay, dyes and plastic. Okay, next one is your hydrochloric acid. So nitric acid is your HNO3. Next one is your hydrochloric acid, you know, HCl. This is also called hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid is used for removing oxide film from steel. So this hydrochloric acid is used in removing. Next one is your, instead of boiler also dye stop, okay, leather, textile or textile industry also use hydrochloric acid. So this much for today. So tomorrow we'll start, next topic is your base. Okay, so very soon we'll finish this chapter, so don't worry and stay healthy. Okay.